If you're trying to lose weight and looking for a simple homemade drink that can fit into a healthier daily routine, this fresh cucumber, ginger, mint, and lemon drink is a great option to try. Instead of reaching for sugary sodas or high-calorie drinks, you can prepare this refreshing combination at home using just a few fresh ingredients. So let's make it from start to finish. First, take half of a fresh cucumber. Wash it thoroughly under clean running water, then peel the cucumber. Once the skin is removed, place it on a clean cutting board and cut it into small pieces. Try to keep the pieces relatively small because we're going to blend everything together shortly. Cucumber is naturally high in water and relatively low in calories, which makes it a refreshing ingredient for people who are trying to manage their overall calorie intake. It can add plenty of freshness and volume to a drink without requiring added sugar. Once the cucumber is chopped, set the pieces aside. Now let's prepare the ginger. Take a small piece of fresh ginger and remove the thin outer skin. You can use a small spoon or vegetable peeler to make this easier. After peeling it, cut the ginger into small pieces. You don't need perfectly even pieces because everything will be blended together. But cutting the ginger into smaller pieces makes the blending process easier. Ginger has a naturally strong and slightly spicy flavor, so even a small amount can give this drink a noticeable kick. It also adds another layer of flavor to what would otherwise be a very mild cucumber drink. Once the ginger is chopped, place it together with the cucumber. Now it's time for the fresh mint. Take a handful of fresh mint leaves and wash them thoroughly. Remove any tough stems if necessary and keep the fresh leaves. Add the mint leaves to the cucumber and ginger. Mint gives this drink a naturally fresh and cooling flavor. It also helps balance the stronger taste of ginger and makes the finished drink much more refreshing. Now we have one final ingredient. Take one fresh lemon and cut it in half. Squeeze the lemon carefully and collect the juice. Make sure to remove any seeds before adding it to the mixture. Lemon gives the drink a bright citrus flavor and can make a simple homemade drink taste much fresher without needing added sugar. Now all of our main ingredients are ready. Take a clean handheld chopper or blender. Add the chopped cucumber first. Then add the small pieces of ginger. Next, add the fresh mint leaves. Finally, pour in the fresh lemon juice. Close the blender securely and begin blending. Blend everything together until the cucumber, ginger, and mint are broken down and the mixture becomes smooth. Take your time during this step. If the mixture is too thick to blend comfortably, you can add a small amount of clean water and continue blending. Keep blending until everything is properly combined. Now our fresh mixture is ready, but we want a smoother drink. Take a clean glass and place a fine strainer over the top. Slowly pour the blended mixture through the strainer. Use the back of a spoon to gently press the mixture through the strainer and release as much liquid as possible. Take your time with this step. The straining process separates much of the remaining pulp and gives you a smoother drink. Once you've finished straining, remove the strainer. Now pour the fresh cucumber, ginger, mint, and lemon drink into your glass. And there you have it, a refreshing homemade drink, made with 4 simple fresh ingredients. If your goal is weight loss, here's the important part. You can enjoy it as part of a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle. For sustainable weight loss, your overall routine matters much more than one recipe. Focus on nutritious meals, appropriate portions, regular physical activity, good sleep, and staying hydrated. And remember, the goal isn't to find one drink that does all the work. The goal is to build simple habits that you can actually maintain. So this cucumber, ginger, mint, and lemon drink can be one refreshing addition to that routine. You can prepare it fresh at home, enjoy it without adding sugar, and use it as an alternative to sugary beverages. If you're making changes to your diet for weight loss, especially if you have a medical condition, take medications, or have specific dietary needs, speak with a qualified healthcare professional for personalized advice. So that's the complete recipe. We started with half a cucumber, peeled and chopped it into small pieces, prepared fresh ginger, added a handful of mint leaves, squeezed in fresh lemon, blended everything together, strained the mixture, and finished with a fresh homemade drink. Simple ingredients, fresh flavor, and an easy recipe you can prepare at home. If you're working toward your weight loss goals and looking for simple ways to make your daily routine healthier, give this refreshing drink a try as part of a balanced lifestyle. If you enjoyed this recipe, save the video, share it with someone who is working on healthier habits, and subscribe for more simple homemade recipes and healthy lifestyle ideas.